Looking for the best glass whiteboards? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 glass whiteboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Quartet Glass Dry Erase Board. Hangs anywhere you want with full functionality. We love the effortless floating look. Board allows for magnetic use. Includes marker tray and dry erase marker. This choice has a pleasing design with tempered glass features. Some users experienced issues with the mounting hardware. At number 2. Audiovisual Direct Frosted Glass Dry Erase Board. Reviews note the board's ability to mount well on multiple surfaces. Works as a dry erase board as well. Comes with thorough instructions in terms of setup and usage. Offers lifetime warranty. Affordable Sharpie-friendly high-quality board for multiple uses. Lacks magnetic use. At number 1. Brands Glass Dry Erase Board. Made with tempered glass with a frameless, modern design. Includes a strong tray to hold markers and erasers. Looks great on camera without too much of a glare. Lightweight build. A sturdy and reliable dry erase board with a sleek build that makes a good addition to any office. Difficult to install with just one person. Some recommended getting your own hardware. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.